Today, we're showing you how to complete profile on Walgreens online account. Plus, if you want to get your Walgreens order delivered in under an hour, use DoorDash and enjoy free delivery on your first order. You'll find our exclusive link waiting for you in the description below. To start, go to the website walgreens.com and click on the account option in the upper right corner of the screen. A side tab with several options will then appear. Click on the option that says Sign In. Then, on the fields provided, enter your account email and password. After entering the email and password, click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for your account at the middle part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Profile. On the drop-down list, click on the option that says Personal Information. You will then see your personal and contact information. Scroll down to the bottom. Then click on Edit. Next, fill out the personal information missing such as your date of birth and gender. Also, enter your contact information such as your address, city, and state. You could also add the +4 code, but it is only optional. If you wish to have the updated information the same as your My Walgreens membership details, click on the checkbox beside the text that says Update your My Walgreens membership with this zip code and date of birth. Then click on Save Changes. That's how you complete your profile on Walgreens online account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.